baby.
Hi, baby.
Is that Mama and who's that?
Who's this?
Who's that? Huh?
Who
Huh,
is
Bubba?
this?
That's so
You wanna go
cute.
see
It's
her?
little sister. She's
Huh?
like my
You wanna sit up here with Mama? Huh?
You want to come sit with me?
Come here. Look.
I can't.
Move your leg.
Let's get Bubba.
Yeah.
Can you sit right there?
You wanna come sit?
Don't let her sit on your IV.
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay.
baby.
Look, you wanna
I
get
know you're looking at her.
Yeah.
There's Vivian.
I wanted to give her about 5 minutes before
Hi,
all
baby.
this. I guess that
Hi.
message didn't get relayed.
I
What do
told
you
you she
think,
was
Bubbles?
coming out.
Huh? You like her? I think she's pretty
Too many
cool.
people.
Yeah.
You like her? It's your little sister.
You can
touch her.
You can touch her.
You want to touch her? She's real, I promise.
Oh. Pat her like that. See? Don't cry, baby Lizzie.
Were you sleeping when they came to get you? You taking your nap?
She's saying hi to you.
Bubbles? Huh?
You know
Is she a
what I'm saying?
keeper? Should we give her back? Should we give her back?
Here,
Or should we take her home?
Sure.
Did Tootsie come get you? Where are you going?
Go ahead, I'm going to run
Oh,
up
I'm
here.
taking a video.
You wanna?
Okay, I was going to
You
help
wanna
her
give her
move the
back or
baby
should we
down
keep
so
her?
Maddie could get her.
That's
You
what
said
I'm
keep
talking
her.
about.
Let me show you, Maddie.